Hello, today I'll show you how to install and set up your voicemail Telmeet Chrome Calendar extension. To begin, please go to your preferred search engine and search VMT Chrome extension. Install the extension on your Chrome browser by clicking the Add to Chrome button. Don't forget to press the Add extension button when prompted. After the extension is installed, please look for the extension button on your Chrome extensions bar. Click on the extension logo, and select Options. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your voicemail Telmeet account. After you enter your email, select the Save option. You should see a message notifying you that the account was successfully set. To create your first meeting event, please click on the extension logo again, and select the Create Google Calendar Meeting option. Your Google Calendar will now open a new event page, where you can set up the time and date of your meeting, and invite your meeting participants. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.